Why everybody asking me? Why do I have to have my son? Wonder if my career now go done. Tell them that I am safe and sanctified. Me run with the way so I find a real Macaw. I'm giving birth to a life.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the song. No, play the song.
The young girl and the young boy, they now breed up the woman. They man make the school in lockdown. I want no one. A white people no want to come take over Jamaica. I want to know. Be able to say for 2026. I want to know. I like to want the blood clot. Jamaica for lockdown with pay blood clot. White people. If Bob Marley never get them wally for pitney there and them wally for pitney there. Bob Marley legacy would have gone. Kartel why you give the woman 4 baby. And baby we say. We want one more Shelly and Fraser, one more Usain Bolt, one more Bob Marley. Only make the assist school them a lockdown in the country. A lockdown kind of pitney in the forgot the school. I want to the people, I want to the baby them. I want to the baby them. Bye-bye baby. Baby I sell.
Argument done.
Yeah.
Welcome back to another one, guys. You know, today we are gonna go back in our history, isn't me? Yeah, one of the craziest moments in dancehall when everybody was in their prime, you know. We have Vybz, Kartel, like always. We have Ladies, we have Aidonia. You know what I mean? For Jenna. Yeah. And we're gonna show you what go on. We're showing you what go on. Refreshing up, bringing it back. Yeah, nostalgia, you know. Remember that.
Busy really lock off full enough. You know lyrically still enough. Lyrically you know say. Otherwise some Kartel you know. And we are modesty you know. Isn't that say? Yeah, so for him try back Aidonia lyrically. A suicide him a coming.
One thing you know the one I say, yo, use. You know boss with fuckery. So when you get them pussy they are kind of in the industry level. Make them do them thing. And you have to answer with them getting important. You know boss up, you know need it. When you hear Bounty Killer, or anything certain artists say Bounty Killer answer, look for me and tell me say, busy me there and see all your boss and everything. You don't need animosity and the crab in a barrel. Me have to admire them speech.
You have a thing in the Alliance album topic come up. But watch it working now. Now the same thing. Kartel and Killer now go start have a little difference now.
No, the song with me and Angel, the song them body no cause you know. If you notice in a Jamaica where the selector them select, you have a certain mode of operandi so the selector them use by drawing quote unquote forward. And that is one of the key one them who know them baby father, who never dash your belly. The same as I say, so the concept alone sell out. And Angel are the right person to bring it because she have that, she in the limelight due to other things. You see me surrounding the music, so why not just gear the musical drive then? And at the time she was pregnant. Yeah, you see me? So everything does at the right time.
Kartel nor myself didn't even know about it or didn't even know that it was going to come together like this. But you see, music is a spontaneous thing. You and I don't know what will happen. Kartel's at the studio. This song was written way before we actually, knew that we were going to actually put it together as a collaboration because it wasn't meant to be like that. The song was done like 3 months in my pregnancy. Kartel laid down his track and then I came to the studio and I just put down my track. That's what happened. We didn't know it was going to happen and then we hear all kind of things. I'm giving birth to a life. Why everybody asking me? Why do I have to have my son? Wonder if my career now go done. Tell them that I am safe and sanctified. Me run with the way so I find a real Macaw. I'm giving birth to a life.
Me a drama this time, you know. When I say man to take side and all them trade, you see me? One not take my side, you see me? We don't say kill our grandfather and Kartel our father. You see me? I say someone want me say different, say kill my father. And that's so, I had my father and kill my grandfather. I said, stop Aidonia, stop all the campaigns. Step up. If you write 3 songs for the Alliance album, man, I never listen to the rhythm and beer things. So Killer start free me, so they have to roll it thing. Back a thing now. Killer start free me wicked. I think the Wilma's barbecue come up now. My father run out first and full clip and busy run out. We just say, oh, them I go to, because I don't know, say. If me tell them come off I show the show I done this, after the people them get a bad rush vibe there, they might just feel like say the show end there so. I say, oh, there. DJ 3 thing and I be forward now till 12 gauge rhythm go drop now. I go up. I don't know if you start the song, you know, and the rhythm I run, you know. And I wait for Killer to start the song. I look around and walk, I say Killer walk off of the show. I'm just DJ myself. I make the people them DJ feel part. Like me and them vice. You know that style. If I'm just now, big pre-men start going this up. You know, talk about that thing. Got Bembe. But them never know same day, them not hear him. Come a Bembe, me not hear him. More thing again. Then we go fight his song here.
Daddy, who are vex, go on vex.
This bad man, you get a box pan your jaw next. Brown in matic, angle of chocolate. Them are the softest, them close are the darkest. Have no fun till I'll gun me, I'll end with banana click, then we Mac 10 day, we 10 day. Yo, with them set up, threat them, I send with. No. I'm gun shot, we are send it, and crack like marble. Big one, the Bembe, not take the music, we play drum like Dembe. Fight Aidonia, they just comprende. Boss Jack, I not too dead, the tongue end. Who I could have big and thick, almost killer. What?
Yeah. One thing I need out alliance, no doubt about that. You know, I'm the ground god, I'm my godfather, as he said. And you just can't go around that. You know, man says it's an icon. It's a youth to help and teach me how to help, and you know, everybody with their own and teach them and everything. He guide me towards this thing. When you see some me take up music seriously, he guide me towards it and show me some guideline and show me, wow, look out man, wow, yo, this is you, them are going to say hype, as a boss, them are going to say hype. I mean, them are going to tell you the thing, them are going to see them come to pass like you, them are going to say, you're rich as switch on me, and them something they come to pass like on a daily basis.
The big up my dad's bounty killer. 5-star general, the ground god, head of state, head of government. You know this music. You know what I mean? Because of him say alliance and him say young artists. That's why I'm over there even there.
Alliance, man. Big them up, man. You see me? You don't know Alliance Kartel forward from. You see it? Empire. Life.
Yeah.
You see me? Shit.
Dear drama this now, you know. Man, I must say this the general. You see me? But I'm going to show some man say, yo, don't play with me. You see me? I feel like I'm afraid of no man. You see me? I don't want like something. No, them can't bully me. Now that them a try. So if I show them from early, said it ain't going to be a bully thing. If it's a war thing, it's a war thing. But I feel like it's not going to be a bully thing. Like never just stay so. I'm not going to just a cow down. Cow down what? After the cow grow, man start. Selector stop playing me now. I this run the business. Who I run this, I run the business. And you see me, I want to know who I run this already. So them I run it. Yeah, my song them start play to a level. Adi song them start play to a level. Now certain man song I play. Yeah, man start chat about that thing now about man in alliance and them thing. You see me, I say, on to some boy. Because you know I say, I'm a boss me never in alliance, you know. Gang bang me say them time there, you know. Right now in the streets see me, I gang bang the people. Enough people still call me gang bang, you know. Them vex through, daddy, I'm proud because a bad man and my dad. See that high ground, rise up my man, from my love, them die bad. Them are no real gangster, them a try bad. You a body man, brother, you soon try fuck up. They was on face like pussy, you a try bad. Kill them more terrible than lance with the eye shot. Me right as credit for from them, this them try.